swim. Dog. Dogs like bones. Chicken. A chicken farm. Chickens have eggs. Duck. Baby duck is lovely. Cat. Cats are sweet. Bird. A flying bird. Birds can sing.
Dogs.
A cat.
Yes. Cats. One cat. Two cats. Three cats.
Dad, bird, a bird.
Oh. One bird. Two birds. Three birds. Four birds. So many birds. Ah, look. A chicken.
Yes, a chicken. Dad, look over here. Duck. One duck, two ducks, three ducks.
And here are the pigs. Wow! 4 pigs.
Yes, pigs. One pig, two pigs.
3 pigs. 4 pigs. Look, Susie. One more pig. 5 pigs.
Bé luyện đọc.
Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm Corey. Today, we will talk about farm animals. Let's look at the words and learn how to read them. The first word is pig. Pig. Look at my mouth and watch how I say it. Pig. Pig. Great job. Let's say it faster. Pig. Pig. Wow, very good. Let's say it together. Pig. Pig. Our next word is dog. Dog. Watch my mouth. Dog. Dog. Wow, very good. Let's say it faster. Dog. Dog. Great job, kids. Let's say it together. Dog. Dog. Okay, the next word is chicken. Chicken. Watch my mouth and listen carefully. Wow, very good. Let's say it faster. Chicken. Chicken. That's great. Good job. Let's say it together. Are you ready? Chicken. Chicken. Let's look at the next word. Duck. Duck. Watch my mouth. Duck. Duck. Yeah, very good. Let's say it faster. Are you ready? Duck. Duck. Perfect. Okay, let's say it together. Duck. Duck. Very good. Wow, everyone. It's cat. Cat. Watch my mouth. Cat. Cat. Wonderful job. Let's say it faster. Cat. Cat. Very good. Let's say it together. Cat. Cat. And the last word is bird. Bird. Listen to me and watch my mouth. Bird. Bird. You're doing great. Let's say it faster. Bird. Bird. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's say it together. Bird. Bird. Good job, guys. Now, you know how to read all the words. Let's play a counting game. Okay, I will show you the first one. 1, 2, 2 birds.
1, 2. 2 birds.
Well done. Now, count by yourself.
1, 2, 3. 3 cats.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. What about this?
1, 2. 2 chickens.
That's right. 1, 2, 2 chickens. Oh, look at this. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pigs.
That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pigs. What about this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs.
Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. And the last one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks.
Well done, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks. You did such a wonderful job today, kids. I'm very happy that you can read all the words. Are you happy too? I'll see you in the next lesson.
Bé hãy click chuột vào hình ảnh tương ứng với từ đang được nhấp nháy nhé.
Cat. 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 Chicken. Chicken. Dog. Dog. Duck. Duck. Fish. Fish. Fish.